What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix the authentication denied login error on X. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your X app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for X and install any available updates. If the issue continues, try connecting to a VPN, then open the X app and sign in again. If you're still unable to log in, use a web browser instead. Open Brave or any modern browser. Go to x.com and try signing in to your account there. In many cases, this issue happens because X has updated its security system, which may prevent older or modified versions of the app from working properly. And that's it. That's how you can fix the authentication denied login error on X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!